Welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into one of the biggest questions of our time. Which jobs will robots and AI replace in the future? Is your job safe, or is a robot coming for it? Let's find out. First up, roles that involve repetitive tasks. Think data entry, assembly line work, and even some basic customer service. AI is getting incredibly good at processing huge amounts of information and performing predictable actions without getting tired or making mistakes. But what about creative jobs? Well, that's where it gets interesting. While AI can generate art and music, it struggles with genuine creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Jobs that require human connection, like therapists, nurses, and teachers, are also likely safe. So the future isn't about us versus the machines, but rather us working with the machines. Learning to use AI tools might be the best skill you can pick up. Have you ever wondered what AI and robots are actually doing right now? It's not just science fiction anymore. It's happening faster than ever. Big companies are rolling them out because, for certain tasks, they're simply faster, cheaper, and more accurate than a person could ever be. Think about manufacturing, data analysis, or even customer service chatbots. They can work 24/7 without getting tired. But here's the most important thing to remember. AI doesn't replace all jobs. It replaces tasks. This is a huge difference. Instead of taking over your entire career, it's designed to handle the repetitive, boring parts, freeing you up to focus on the creative, strategic, and human parts of your job. It's about working smarter, not harder. So what tedious task would you love to hand over to an AI? Let me know in the comments below. Will your job still be around in the next 10 years? With AI and robots getting smarter every day, some jobs are on the brink of disappearing. Let's look at the top roles at high risk. First up, data entry and typing. I can now process and organize huge amounts of information way faster than any human. Next, basic customer support. AI chatbots are already handling thousands of customer queries at once, 24/7. Think about cashiers and sales counters. Self-checkout machines are becoming the new normal in stores everywhere. In factories, robots are taking over, working non-stop without needing a break. Even telemarketing is being automated with AI making calls. And finally, drivers. With self-driving cars and delivery drones on the rise, taxi, truck, and delivery jobs are facing a major shift. Is your job on this list? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. So, with all this talk about AI taking over, should we all just pack it in and start serving our new robot overlords? Not so fast. While AI is amazing, there are plenty of jobs where humans will always have the upper hand. Think about it. Can a robot truly replace a teacher who inspires you, or a nurse who holds your hand and offers a comforting word? AI can assist doctors with diagnostics, but it can't replicate their empathy or critical judgment in a life or death situation. What about creativity? Sure, AI can generate art, but can it come up with a truly groundbreaking film idea or write a novel that moves you to tears? And let's not forget our skilled tradespeople, the electricians, plumbers, and mechanics who use their hands and experience to solve real-world problems. And could you ever imagine a robot leading a team with genuine emotional intelligence? Nope. Human creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making are our superpowers. And those aren't going to be automated anytime soon. Everyone's worried about AI taking our jobs. But what if I told you that's only half the story? History shows that new technology doesn't just eliminate jobs, it creates entirely new ones we can't even imagine yet. Think about it. AI will create millions of new roles. We're going to need AI trainers to teach these systems and prompt engineers to communicate with them effectively. Who will build and maintain the robots? Robot technicians. With more tech comes more risk, so we'll need cybersecurity experts. And as we blend the digital and physical worlds, VR and AR developers will be in high demand. Of course, all this runs on data, so data analysts will be more crucial than ever. So the future isn't about losing your job. It's about shifting your skills and getting ready for the next big thing. Have you ever worried about AI taking over jobs? It's a valid concern, but instead of worrying, let's get prepared. So what should you do to stay ahead in this AI future? First, sharpen your digital skills. The more you know about technology, the better. Second, focus on what makes us human. Communication. Being able to connect with others is a skill AI can't replicate. Third, don't fight AI, learn how to use it. Getting good with AI tools will make you more efficient and valuable. And finally, Lean into your creativity and problem-solving abilities. Think outside the box. Remember, it's not about humans versus AI. The people who combine their human skills with AI expertise are the ones who will truly succeed and earn the most. So start learning, start creating, and you'll be ready for whatever comes next. What should you do to stay safe in the AI future? Well, it's not about fearing the robots. It's about leveling up your own game. First, get comfortable with digital skills. We're not just talking about social media. Think bigger, like data analysis or coding basics. Next, double down on human skills. Communication, teamwork, and empathy are things AI can't replicate. Learning how to actually use AI tools is also a game changer. They're like a superpower for your brain. Think of them as assistants that can handle the boring stuff, freeing you up to focus on what really matters: creativity and problem solving. The people who will truly thrive are those who combine the power of an AI with irreplaceable human skills. That's the winning formula. So start learning, start creating, and get ready for an amazing future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.